Hey everybody, this is the Scrap Gardener and this video is about how to grow corn. First, know your plant hardiness zone. Look on the map and find out where you are. Best zones for growing corn is zone 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 according to the Farmer's Almanac. If you're not in any of these zones, it's okay, you can still grow corn. It just means that these are the best zones to grow corn. Soil. What kind of soil should I use? Use H, manure, or compost. Be sure soil is well drained. Corn does not transplant well, so be sure to start seeds outdoors. Watering. How much water should I use? Corn needs lots of water, but the soil needs to be well drained, so be sure to water them often. Spacing. How far apart should they be? Corn should be spaced 30 to 36 inches apart from each other when planting seeds, so be sure to give them a little bit of space. Germination. How long will it take for them to germinate once I plant them? Corn will take 10 to 14 days to germinate if temperatures are around 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. If temperatures are between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, it can only take 5 to 7 days. So it will be faster. Fertilizer. What kind of fertilizer should I use? Fertilize before planting. You can use an all-purpose fertilizer with more nitrogen and phosphorus than potassium, such as 16-16-8 ratio fertilizer. This will help ensure healthy growth. Harvest. How long will it take my corn to be harvested? Corn will take 60 to 100 days from seed to harvest time. So about 2 to 3 months, give or take. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you love gardening videos. Thanks! See you next time!